London in the 19th century became the largest city in the world. Around the year 1850, its population passed 2.5 million people. The city was the administrative center of the British Empire and the largest industrial hub in Europe. In the mid-19th century, more people lived in London than in many entire European countries, for example, more than in all of Scotland at that time. Today we bring 19th century London back to life through historical images animated once again. At the end of the video, all the scenes will be shown together with authentic period sounds to recreate the era even more vividly. The River Thames was the city's main transportation artery. Coal, timber, grain, and colonial goods were carried along it, and barges and steamships moved constantly, connecting London with ports all over the world. Before the sewer system was built, the city's waste went directly into the river, and in the year 1858, this caused what became known as the Great Stink, when Parliament had to suspend its sessions because of the smell. The Port of London in the 19th century was the largest in the world. Tea, sugar, cotton, spices, and tobacco were unloaded here. Thousands of dock workers and sailors worked in the port, and the city's income depended directly on colonial trade. In the West India docks, there was a prison inside the dock complex itself, so that drunk sailors would not be allowed out into the city. Working-class neighborhoods grew rapidly around factories and ports. Many families lived in a single room. There was almost no sanitation, and diseases spread quickly. The East End was especially affected. In some houses, there were so many people that beds were rented by the hour. Some slept during the day and others at night to save space. In the 19th century, London became the first major city with large-scale gas street lighting. This extended the working day and energized the nightlife of theaters and pubs. At the same time, the city was famous for its dense smog. In the fog, coachmen sometimes walked in front of the carriage on foot, carrying a lantern, because the horses could not see anything. After the fire of the year 1834, the Parliament was rebuilt in the neo-Gothic style. Here, decisions were made that influenced the colonies and world politics. The clock tower, that today is called Big Ben, is officially named the Tower of St. Stephen. Originally, Big Ben was only the name of the bell. London's streets were filled with carriages, omnibuses, and carts. Traffic jams on the bridges could last for hours. In the year 1863, the first underground railway in the world was opened. In the early underground trains, steam locomotives were used, and passengers traveled in smoke with no ventilation. The East End became a symbol of poverty, overcrowding, and harsh working conditions. Dock workers, seamstresses, street vendors, and migrants lived there. In the late 19th century, the first charitable soup kitchens appeared in the East End, where soup and bread were given free to the poor. Between the years 1800 and 1900, London was transformed into a modern metropolis. Underground railway, sewer system, industry, mass migration, and the growth of the middle class. By the end of the century, there were so many horses in London that the main urban problem was not traffic jams, but manure, which the city did not have time to remove.